Shivej. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Mathematics, RH Alpha Institute. Okay, next let us see how to fit a geometrical y is equal to a into x to the power of b. Now we can't directly find out the values of a and b. So what is the first step we have to do is we have to take the logarithm on both sides. So if we take logarithm on both sides, we get log y is equal to, this is in the form log of a into b. We know that it is log a plus log b. So we get this value as log a plus log of x to the power of b. Again this is equal to log a plus log of x power b can be written as b into log x. It is understood that if the logarithm is written without any base, it is natural logarithm, that is logarithm to base e. Now for our reference, I will denote this log y as equal to capital Y. Log a is equal to capital A plus b into log x is equal to capital X, where capital X is natural logarithm of small x, capital A is log of A, and y is equal to log of capital Y. Now with this logarithm, this geometric curve what we had, y is equal to ax for b, got transformed into a straight line, y is equal to a plus b into x. Now we write the normal equation in terms of the straight line. We know that the normal equation for the straight line will be summation y is equal to n into a plus b summation x. Similarly, the second normal equation is going to be summation xy is equal to a into summation x plus b into summation x square. Now we have to form a table which contains capital X, capital Y, capital X into Y and capital X square. Now let me take up an example. So given x values as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and corresponding y values are going to be 0.5, 2, 4.5, 8 and 1.5. Now let me construct a table for this given data. Write down the x and y values. X values are given to be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and corresponding y values are 0.5, 2, 4.5, 8 and 1.5. Now for the normal equations we require summation of capital X. So find out capital X, which is nothing but logarithm of small x. It is understood that it is natural logarithm, logarithm to base e. Similarly, we require capital Y, which is logarithm to base e of capital Y. Then we want the values of x into y and x. So log of 1 is equal to 0. Log of 0.5 is minus 0.6931. Log 2 is plus 0.6931. Log 3 is 1.0986. Log of 4 is 1.3863. And log of 5 is going to be 1.6094. Now observing normal equations, we do not need the summations of small x and small y. So I won't add these two columns. Summation of capital X is going to be 4.7874. Similarly, log of 2 is 0.6931. Log of 4.5 is 1.5041. Log of 8 is 2.0794 and log of 12.5 is 2.5257. If you add all the values, we get summation y is equal to 6.1092. Next we should find the product of these two. This is going to be 0.6931 into 0.6931 is 0.4804. The product of these two terms is 1.6524. Next product is going to be 2.8827 and 4.0649, and we get the summation of x into y value is equal to 9.0804. Similarly, the last row, x square is 0, 2.69 square is same, 0.4804, 1.0986 square is 1.2096. Next, 1.3863 square will be 1.9218, and the square of 1.6094 is 2.5902, where the summation of these terms are going to be 6.199. So these are the required summations. Now let me substitute these values into the normal equations. So the first normal equation was summation y. We got the summation y minus 6.1092 is equal to n, the number of points that are given as 5, into a plus b into summation x. Summation x is 4.7874 into into b. This is the first normal equation, and the second normal equation is summation xy 9.0804 is equal to a into summation x. Summation x is 4.7874 into a plus b summation x square. Summation x square is 6.1993 into b. These are the normal equations. Now suppose we solve these two normal equations, we get the value of a is equal to minus 0.6931 and b value is equal to 2. Note that the given geometric curve was y is equal to a into x to the power of b. So we want the value of small a, not the capital A. We know that capital A is nothing but log of small a. So small a will be anti-log of a, that is e to the power of minus 0.6931. So if we take the anti-log of minus 0.6931, we get the value of a is equal to 0.5. So the answer is a is 0.5 and b is equal to 2. So if we substitute, we get y value is equal to 0.5 into x to the power of 2. This is the required geometric curve. Thank you.